Hi Suresh,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Suresh. Where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad, sir.
Okay, and what is your education qualification?
My education qualification is MBA from Aurora PG College, Uppal.
Okay, and how do you know about SVC Institute?
I know about SVC Institute through an Instagram reel.
Yes, Suresh, and what did you learn from SVC during these 2 months training?
After I joined this SVC Institute, I learned about investment banking and accounting knowledge through jam sections and group discussion. I improved my communication skills.
Okay, good to know that. And share your interview experience.
I got selected for SCA Healthcare and K Fintech. There is of 3 rounds of interview. First is written test. In that written test, we have arithmetic reasoning, mathematical, and also the accounting knowledge, which is trained in our institute.
Okay, you are able to clear written test.
Yeah, sir, I am able to clear. After that, there are 2 rounds of interview again. One is HR round and another is technical round. In technical round, they mainly focus on accounting knowledge and investment banking.
Okay.
And the HR round, they mainly focus on our communication skill.
Great. And when you are going to join?
I already joined last week, sir.
Okay, congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.